everybody, and welcome to my channel today. My name's Joey with On the Road Again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a tune-up on a 2012 Volkswagen Beetle with a 2.5 liter. I thought it'd be a cool video because it's kind of confusing how to take this cover off without damaging it. First thing you want to do is remove this T20 screw right here. Secondly, you want to take this clamp and squeeze it and pull back, get it off of there, and slide it back. Or there's two T20s. I do believe on some of these there's a sensor that mounts right here, so you would want to remove that also. Alright, so next you want to, there's 4 grommets, 2 right here and 2 right here, so you want to gently pull up on that. It's difficult, but it's never been off. I'm going to tell you that, but it does come up. There's one. But what you don't want to do is pull right here. I see a lot of them get cracked all the way up. You want to try not to crack this one. Alright, cool. So you're going to want to get the front ones first, and then the back one, like do one side at a time. You can actually see the grommet on this side. So those things are really on there. I'm gonna use a pair of these needle noses right here to get up underneath of it. Maybe even a small pry bar. All right, at least got one more over here. All right. A lot of y'all might be just watching this video to see how to remove the cover to change the air filter. Alright, next. These clips can be funny right here. Don't overdo it, just basically go like this. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Take another screwdriver, push it back on it, because you don't want to break those clips. Them all past the little clip. Hopefully it didn't damage that. Okay, so we got this slid back. Now they kind of all come off at the same time. You got kind of look. If you got one that's never been worked on, it's gonna be a little tight. I don't know if you've seen that, it's kind of set down in a little pocket. Slide that back. These just pull up. They're gonna be kind of tight though. There's one. Two. Three. 4, and not last but not least, that's the bad one. I'm sure of it. There you go. I don't know what happened. That thing's burnt. Like a melted or something. Alright, so we got some bad news on a couple of these. Some of the pieces stayed down inside of it. Okay, so I had to pause the video because 3 of these got stuck on a spark plug, and that may happen to you because this has never been done. It was dry rotted. The trick that I did, luckily I had some long picks on standby. The one that seemed to work the best for me was this little guy right here. I basically spooned it down in there, rolled it around it, and got it and kind of worked it up. You're not going to get these off without any lube though. I put a little dab of mystery oil down in there and then sprayed it with some PB Blast. So let's get these spark plugs out here. Just keep that in mind if you're doing your research on that. That could happen, because I think I had that happen to me one time before. Alright, so it's a 5/8 spark plug. Oh, battery finally conked down on me. So I'll find it in a minute. Let's use my other ratchet. You can either pull them up like that or use a magnet. Okay, I need to let you all know on this one, there's actually 5 spark plugs and 5 ignition coils. The reason why I'm bringing this up, because the part store only sold me a 4-pack. I had to buy an additional coil separately. The spark plugs come pre-gat, but you still want to check them, make sure they don't get closed in. Good spark plug to use on these are the NGK Iridians. So all of them look good. Hope you don't run into that problem that I did with the boots getting stuck down on there. Always hand start all your spark plugs. Get 3 or 4 spins in there. I'm gonna recommend the valve cover for this one later on for her. If you're gonna use electric ratchet, just a controlled spin to fill it snug, and then hand tighten it. For new beginners, DIY guys, I don't recommend this because you can break the little white part on top of the spark plug. And now we got them snug. Tools are a little unorganized. I did quite a few jobs the last couple days. You'll feel that crush washer get down. Now you feel it tight, you want to give it one more little turn. Crush that washer. Same thing on the rest of them. Whatever you do, just don't over tighten them. It's aluminum head, you can pull the threads. Now we want to move on. I prefer Duralast parts. If you watch a lot of my videos, you'll see I mainly use Duralast. They sell it at AutoZone. You'll hear it snap down in there. This car was long overdue for some maintenance. You want to kind of go in reverse order how you took it off. I just want to get over here that way and get some leverage, and you'll hear that audible snap north. Especially if you took your time and didn't break no clips. Okay, now it's time to reinstall this cover. I recommend just put a little lube on these groundlets. It'll pop on a lot easier, and then the next guy that has to take it off won't have to try so hard. Simply turn it back around. Line up in place. It's not the back one down first. This should hose line up. And if you have the style with the little sensor there, put that on there. Take your T25 or T20, I'm sorry. Get the little screw started. my T20, the tip of it across there. It's in the pan. Alright, I'll take your little pliers. Alright, so that concludes this job. This would be a good time to check over everything else. You want to clear out any lights that are on it with your scan tool. Take it for a nice test drive. And that's it. Thank you for joining us today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.